Howdy everyone, Robert Bradley here. Thank you for watching Rooted and Resourceful. Today, in the kitchen, we are cooking one of my family's favorite meals, hot dogs. And I want to show you a very simple, quick, yet absolutely delicious recipe for some homemade chili. Stay tuned. I am using my induction cooktop. It is way too hot to be turning on the gas stove here in South Carolina. So I've got me about a pound of hamburger meat. I am browning it. When I brown it, I do make sure that I push down on it completely because I want to make sure that my pieces of hamburger meat are small. As it cooks, you just want to continue to stir, continue to push down on the meat until you can make sure that it is thoroughly cooked all the way through. I can tell that it is completely cooked through, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain any of the excess grease. I don't like the extra greasiness to it, so you definitely want to try to keep it as healthy as possible. So that's what I'm doing now. All right, I've got my meat drained. I'm going to take some ketchup. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons. Mustard. You're going to do about 1 good-sized tablespoon of mustard. Garlic powder. I'm going to give it about a teaspoon of garlic powder. Our chili powder. I like mine to have a little bit of a kick behind it, so I'm going to give it about 1 heaping tablespoon of chili powder. A little bit of red pepper, just a pinch, some regular pepper, some salt to taste, my secret ingredient, some ground cumin, and I give it about 2 pinches. I'm going to stir all this together on a medium-low heat. Let all those flavors cook in really nicely. As it is cooking, you hear it simmering. You don't want it to dry out too much. So I have me maybe about 1/3 cup of water. Go ahead and add that to it. I'm going to turn my heat up just a little bit because I want the majority of that liquid to cook out of it. But the main reason you add the water is to make sure that your ingredients are fully incorporated, and of course it prevents it from burning or sticking. So we're going to let this simmer a good 5 minutes, just until all of your flavors are fully incorporated. I smell the chili powder, I smell the garlic. Everything smells amazing. I cannot wait to eat it. As this continues to simmer, I want to know, tell me, what are some of the things that you like to put in your chili? I'm always looking for some new recipes, some new variations. This is just a simple one that I use. I learned how to cook when I was 5 years old. Super simple, super easy to put together. But let me know, what are some of the things that you like to add to your chili for your hot dogs? And there you have it. As it simmers, we're going to make sure that the majority of this liquid does cook out of it. Pair this chili with your favorite hot dog weenie. Get you some buns, all your condiments, whatever it is. This is a simple, very quick recipe, but I promise you it tastes amazing. There is a big debate here in my household. What is something you like to put on your hot dogs? I am picky. I literally just do the weenie, the bun, and the chili. My chili has enough flavor to make sure it tastes amazing, but a lot of my family puts mayonnaise. I don't know about y'all. Is that something you like? Let me know. A few other condiments that we have to have. Of course, ketchup, mustard. We have some ranch dressing, some chopped cheese. I am having a side salad. We're also going to have some potato chips. And of course, you got to have those chopped onions for the majority of people here as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video definitely helps you out, gives you some pointers. Give me a like. Give me a share, follow me. I appreciate you very much. Thanks for watching Rooted and Resourceful. I'm Robert Bradley. Stay rooted, but yet resourceful. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.